Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover your Windows in case something goes wrong with your computer. Be it a laptop computer, be it a desktop computer, how you can recover it, repair it so that your Windows function normally. So as always guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, if the video is helpful, like and share the video. Alright, let's get into it. In order to recover your system, what you have to do is you must have a recovery drive with you. So you have to create a recovery drive first. For that you can use a flash drive or a CD drive. Nowadays CD drive is not common in most of the systems, like you don't have a drive. So the easiest way to create a recovery drive is by using a flash drive, a USB drive. So how will you create a USB drive? In order to create a recovery drive, the first thing which you need to do is go to start, then type create. When you type in create, the first option that will come is create a recovery drive. You have to click on it and then this window will appear. Now in the window you will see it's giving us the option to create a recovery drive. It explains what you are going to do. Always make sure that the backup system files to the recovery drive is checked before you proceed. If it is not checked, then the backup will not happen. So make sure it is checked and then click on next. So it will take around 5 minutes to scan the system and detect a drive. Also make sure that the drive is formatted and it is connected to your computer so that application will be able to identify it. Alright, as you can see, it's asking me to connect a flash drive. As it seems, I don't have a flash drive installed in the system, so let me just connect the flash drive. And also you can see the instructions mentioned below. The drive must be able to hold at least 16 GB and everything on the drive will be deleted. So as soon as I connected the drive, it's automatically scanning again. One other important thing is to identify the drive letter of your drive. So if you don't know, then you can just go to your computer and you can check over here. So if you have connected a pen drive, then it will definitely show. So over here mine is 8 GB pen drive, which is like letter H. So I need to select over here letter H. Okay, so it's telling me that everything on the drive will be deleted. If you have any personal files on this drive, make sure you have backed up the files and click on create. So it seems that the criteria provided by Windows is 16 GB. However, even if you have a 8 GB pen drive, you can still proceed. So this is going to take some time. It will take around half an hour to 40 minutes of time for creating the drive. It depends upon your system speed as well as the size of your C drive, the number of applications you have installed. So once the recovery drive is ready shown over there, you can just click on finish and your recovery drive is ready. Now whenever you are facing any problem with the computer, like your computer is running very slow or it's glitchy or any problems with that, and you want to repair your Windows, what you need to do is you just need to go to settings, go to update and security, go to recovery and then click on get started. So over here you will get two options: keep my files, remove everything. So make sure you remove all the files, all the basic important files, downloaded files, whatever is saved in your C drive, and remove it. Take a backup of the files and then you click on remove everything. Once you click on remove everything, in order to repair your Windows, you need to either download the Windows from cloud if it is uploaded or saved in cloud, or you have to specify a local device. So in our case it will be a local device, as we have created a backup on our USB flash drive. So we will select local reinstall and then we will click on next. So you can also change settings over here, decide which option you need to select over here. This will remove everything from your drive and install a clean Windows. If you select yes over here, clean data, delete files from all drives. So this will, if you select this one, then all the drives which are there in your computer, it will remove data from all of the drives. So you need to be very careful over here. If you have more than one drive installed and you have saved some data on the other drive, you should not select this option, download Windows. So we are actually not downloading Windows, will be installing Windows from the drive which you have created. So we will not select these two options, but yeah, we can select this option. Once the settings are set, you can click on next. So now it is ready for resetting a computer. So it will automatically detect the USB flash drive which is connected to your computer, and the information is shown over here. So remove all the personal files from your computer, remove any changes made to settings, remove all the apps and programs, reinstall Windows. So it will clean install your Windows, repair any files if there are any bad files, and it will repair it, and it will install Windows once again. So once you click on reset, it will start a resetting process and your Windows will be reinstalled in the computer. So I'm not going to proceed with this. I have just shown you the way. You just have to click on reset and it will work. But right now I don't want to reset my computer because it is already okay. I'm just creating this video to show you. So that is the way how you repair your computer. So that is it, guys. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like and share the video with your friends as well. And also, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel. That will help me and the channel to grow. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.